Good morning, everyone, and today is day 33 in our packets. Materials needed: you're going to need your quiet place to work, your day 33 pages, a pencil, and some crayons. So again, today we will be working on the power word in, and we will be using, hiccups. We will be using the power word in to read other words. Please write your first and your last name. And for our fill in the sentences, once we're done your name, we're going to read the words in the word bank. So, I hope everyone's done their name. Let's read our words. So the first word here is bin. Bin. The next word is chin. Chin. Here we have fin. Fin. Pin. Pin. And spin. Spin. So I will do the first two with you, and then I will help you read the sentences and you can fill in the missing word. Let's get started. The first sentence says, the shark has a, and this picture is pointing to the fin. The shark has a, so let's look at our word bank. Do sharks have a bin? No. Do sharks have a chin? No. A fin? Ooh, yep, it looks like it's pointing to the fin. Let's read the other words just to be sure. Pin? Nope. And spin. That wouldn't make sense. So our answer is fin. So we're going to write fin on the line. Fin. And I'm going to cross it off in my word bank. My next sentence says, the top can blank. So let's see. The top can bin. Oh, that doesn't make sense. The top can chin. Tops don't have a chin. The top can pin. The top can spin. Oh yeah, tops spin around in a circle. So let's write spin. In. Spin. Now I will read the next 3 sentences with you, and you need to find the missing word. So the next sentence is, put the toys in the put the toys in the The next sentence is, you can use the to fix the hole. Like if you have a hole in your shirt or something, you can use it to close it. You can use the pin to fix the hole. Sometimes if you have a hole in your shirt, you can use one of these to close it, to fix the hole. The last sentence is, your is under your mouth. Okay, please make sure you finish filling in the missing words and turn the page. All right, so this is a really fun activity. So before I explain it, let's write our names. Okay, so this puzzle is called a crossword puzzle, okay? Do you see how there's the numbers up here? And all of these pictures on the bottom have the numbers too. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with number 1, and we're going to look at this picture. That is a picture of ham. Like if you have a ham sandwich, this is what the big piece of ham looks like. Ham. So what we're going to do next to number 1 is in each box we're going to write one letter of the word ham. Like this. So now I know when I look at number 2, the first letter of my word is going to be mat. And we're going to write the word going down because that's the way this little arrow is showing us, okay? So now we're going to look at picture number 2. Here it is. Oh, I know. It looks like a rug. Wait a minute. This letter is not a er. What sound does that letter make? What's another way to describe this that starts with a M? Oh, you could call it a mat. Let's see if mat will work. It fits. Perfect. All right, let's try the next one. Number 3. Here's 3. So 3 is going to go across. So the last sound in this word has to have the t sound. Let's look at the picture. Here it is. Oh, goodness. What happened to this little girl? She's standing in a puddle. Oh, man. She looks like she's all wet. Does wet end with a T? Wet. It does. Let's see if wet will fit in our boxes. Oops, sorry. Wet. Wet. It fits. Yes. Okay. Now, let's look at number 4. Where's number 4? Oh, here's number 4. Number 4 is going to go down. Okay. So, and it has to start with a w. Let's see. Let's find the picture. Oh, here you go. Ooh, what is that? A spider web. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Oh, gosh. spider web doesn't have only 3 letters. What could we write that just begins with a W? What about just web? Let's see. W, E, B. Web. It fits perfect. So for number 5, let's see. Here's number 5. Oh, and it has to go across. And it needs to start with a B, B, B. Let's look at the picture. Wait a minute. There's some fish there. Fish doesn't start with B. And it's pointing to that fish. Well, one fish is really tiny, and one fish is huge. Let's see. It's pointing to the huge fish. Oh! Big! Big begins with B, and that's the big fish. Okay, let's write big. We have B, I, G. Big! That fits. Let's look at number 6. Here's 6, and we're going to go down. And the picture. Oh, it looks like this guy's missing a tooth. There's a big space there now. Space. Space doesn't begin with a G. What's another word for space? Oh, gap. Gap begins with a G, G, G. G, A, P. Yes. Okay. Last one. You guys are doing great. Okay. Here we go. Here's number 7, and we're going to go across, and it needs to begin with a P. Ooh, what are they doing to that balloon? What do they have in their hand? Is that a pin? Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Pin begins with a P. Let's write it. P. Pin. We got it. Good job, guys. That was hard work. And here is our last page. So please write your first and last names. So today for math, we are going to practice using a number path. These right here are number paths. And what they are is they're just the numbers in order. And we're going to use them to help us add, okay? I have some nice problems here, and I gave you some starters with some stars and some hops. So let's look at it together, okay? So when we use a number path and we're adding, because all of these have the addition sign, we are going to hop this way. So our numbers get bigger, okay? So let's look at the first one together. Our problem here says 2 plus 3. So what you do is you start at 2, and we're going to do 3 hops to find out what our total is, okay? So I have put a little star here for you. Put your finger on the star. And let's trace these hops. And we're going to count each hop while we're moving. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? Circle the number we landed on. We landed on number 5. 5 is our total. If we do 2 plus 3, we get 5. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Our next problem says 4 plus 1. So we're going to start at number 4, and I put a star there for you. Put your pencil on the star, And now you have to write and count at the same time. So we're going to make a hop to the next number and count. 1. We only needed to do one hop because we have +1. And circle the number we landed on. Oh, it's 5 again. 4 plus 1 equals 5. All right, let's look at the next problem. We have 1 plus 2. So we're going to start at 1, and I put the star there. Put your pencil on the star. And this time we're going to do 2 hops because this says +2. So let's do 2 hops. Ready? 1 hop, 2 hops. What number did we land on? Circle it. 3. Our answer is 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And our last problem. So our last problem is 5 plus 3. So put your pencil on the 5 where the star is, and we're going to do 3 hops. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? Circle it and write your answer on the line. Great job! When you guys are finished, please take a picture and send to Miss Nicole. And now that you've finished day 33, your packet is complete. Great job, guys!